Hi, this is Isaac. I'm going to show you how to use ArcMap in ArcGIS 10. So I will go straight to open ArcMap, and as you can see, I'm navigating to the ArcGIS folder, and within this folder we have all the applications in ArcGIS Desktop 10. And what I want to show you today is ArcMap 10. As it opens, I'll tell you a few things about the ArcGIS Desktop product, because it's one big bundle that contains a number of things. If I can take you back to my start menu here, you'll see that inside this folder we have ArcGIS, Arc Catalog. I have the ArcGIS Administrator. I have ArcGlobe 10, ArcMap 10, ArcScene 10. So they're all part of the one package, which is ArcGIS Desktop 10. Okay, so as it opens, I'll show you good. Now, when you open ArcMap for the first time, you will see a dialog box at the beginning, which is the Getting Started dialog box for ArcMap. And it is asking you whether you want to select an existing map document or you want to create a new map document. But because I want to show you the user interface, I'll just cancel so that I just start with a blank map document, or a blank window without anything loaded into it. So as you can see, we have almost a similar look with ArcGIS 9.3, but a few things have changed, and that's what I'm going to show you. Right up here we have our menu bar with all the menus as it was in 9.3, and then we have the standard toolbar right here, having the standard tools like the new map document shortcut tool. Opening a new map document, you click there. If you want to save, you click there. Printing, and basically you get all those tools still on the standard toolbar. And then to add data, you will have to again use the Add Data button, just like before. Then we have the Tools toolbar. The Tools toolbar by default opens at that point. But as you know, you can always undock any toolbar and close it off and then open it again. So I can open the Tools toolbar again and close it as many times as I want, and I will just get it right there. Alright, if you want any other tool from a toolbar, you just right click anywhere up here or anywhere on a toolbar or on any tool, just right click and it will bring you a context menu with a long list of all the toolbars that exist in ArcMap. To the left over here we have the table of contents, and this table of contents also has a list of icons, and these give you different views of your layers in the table of contents, except this one that will take you to the table of contents options if you want to make a few customizations. The first icon here is for listing your layers so that you just see them as layers, and if you want to see where they have come from or where they are stored, you will have to click the list by source so that you see the source where they're stored, or you can list by visibility right here. Okay, then to your right you have another set of very important functions, and the first one up here is ArcToolbox. Many times when you open ArcMap for the first time, you may not have it listed among these ones, but you will have ArcCatalog and the search window right here. So these initially in ArcGIS 9.3 were standalone applications, but now they've been integrated into the ArcMap window, and you can have all of them working within ArcMap. So you don't have to close ArcMap in order to open ArcCatalog, for instance, or ArcToolbox can easily be accessed by simply docking it right here to the right, so that when you're working on your map, you can access the tools very fast from here as you wish, and once you move your cursor away from the window, it should be able to disappear automatically. With ArcCatalog, you just point, and if you want to add a folder connection, you just do it right here very fast, and once you move away, it hides automatically. Then down here we have the shortcuts to the data view and the layout view as before, and the refresh button is still in the same place, as well as the pause button for your workflow. There is one other toolbar that I really like to keep always closed, especially when I'm working in the layout window, and this is the drawing toolbar. I always like it down here so that I can easily access these tools when I'm working in the layout. Automatically it opens the layout toolbar so that you can have access to the layout tools, which of course are special the way they work. And for instance, if you want to zoom into the layout, you use this zoom in tool, because if you use this zoom tool from the tools toolbar, it doesn't zoom into the layout but rather zooms into the data frame, and that is in the data view. Okay, so briefly that's what I wanted to show you about ArcMap 10.